Hello everybody. We're going to do another rock picture. I've set up and prepared already. I found another board. I found a really cool twig with some moss. I've already glued it and it's already dried. I've painted some little birds on rocks, and how I did that, I saved one, is I painted a little tiny triangle for a nose down on the bottom or the middle. You can pick yellow, black, orange. I used my puffy paints because they make better circles. I put two pretty big dots for the eyes. Swirl it around a little bit, make a little bit bigger circle. I used my black puffy paint so I could put just a tiny little dot in the eyes. And then I let them dry yesterday. This is what you'll get, and you'll let it dry. And I did use some wood glue. This stick was pretty bent, and I put a couple of weights to let it dry. I kind of like it sitting like this. I am going to use my tacky glue again. And my cheap Dollar Tree brush. I'm going to put some glue on the back of my rocks. Place them on my branch like the birds are sitting. I have a yellow one. And I'm thinking about maybe just Mod Podging the actual moss on this. I'm going to be really careful since I just painted this one. Actually, I think I'll put a blue one in between. But I'm thinking of Mod Podging the moss. Either way, you're still going to want to seal it because you have the paint on the rocks. So you could Mod Podge it, or you could use your clear sealer. And you can put a picture hanger on the back when it dries. I did put a picture of the other one on my page. And I have my birds sitting on their branch. I will let this dry and put a picture hanger on the back and seal it. And you have another idea for painting rocks. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you try it. Have a great day.